Hello everyone. So in my previous video I have shown the basic usage of an item and what are detail arrows in item, how items can be placed, that is the usage of slot. Then I have shown the list of items and the lines and how can we use lines and how can we not use lines, that is the usage of items with lines or not, that also I have shown. So in this video we will be covering some usage of media items, buttons in items, icons in items and some item inputs. So without any delay, let's just switch to our VS Code. So firstly I will be demonstrating the usage of media items. The first thing I will be doing is the iron avatar. I will be demonstrating the usage of iron avatar with image. So this is iron avatar and I will be copying this from here to here. Just go to our page and I will be using avatar, so I will be simply importing it and exporting it as well, and just paste it over here. So this is basically a reference image they have shown. I already have a URL. So I have shown the usage of image in Ionic, that how can we use the image locally and from URL. So I am here using the image with just simply with the URL. So I have copied my URL and pasted it over in the SRC part. So this is my image with an avatar that is placed at the start slot and having a button item. So I will be placing a button property over here. What it will be do, it will be providing a clicking property to my button, to my item. So what they have written, they have an item with a button property which will make it clickable. Then we have an iron avatar, we have an image. Then inside that avatar I have used a slot start. So I will be just removing it and showing what it will do. It has make the image and avatar a little bit closer and it is looking some unusual. So I will be placing my slot again, slot start, space it, and here you go. So basically this is avatar, and hope you know what is avatar. Avatar is basically a circular component that is used usually to wrap an image or icon. Thumbnail is also used for wrapping an image or icon, but that is a square component and it is used to display a group of larger image or to provide the preview of full image in a smaller size. Whereas an avatar is used to represent a person or image or object. It means that if we want to view someone's user profile, then we will be preferring an avatar, whereas if we want the preview of a larger image, we will be using iron thumbnail. So iron avatar we have seen. This is how iron thumbnail will look. I will just replace the iron thumbnail and just remove this from here. Save it. We are not able to see the basic representation because this is somewhat white background. I will be showing this with a little bit black or different background. Just go here, select any background of your choice. Just copy this and paste over here. Save it. So this is thumbnail with square and see avatar. It is with circle. So this is the way how we can be using images with item. Next we will be seeing the iron button. So I will be combining button and icons and inputs all together. So first of all, just remove this avatar part from here. We doesn't want it anymore. Remove the iron avatar from here as well. And simply write iron button over here, and inside that use save. This is a save button inside the iron is an item. Then we can use slot over here, we can use icon only property over here. Icon only property is majorly used in the toolbar. Then we will be seeing the usage of iron icons. So I will be providing it a label. This is button. Next I will be showing about the icon. Just provide a slot of start so that the button is placed at the start. Next just go below this and I will be creating an item again for my icons demonstration. So what I will be do, I want a business icon over here. So I will be importing it and will be using this inside the iron icon. Everyone is aware of using iron icon now. Save it, and this is how an iron icon is placed. Just provide it a label again that this is a this is an icon. Provide a slot to the icon. So this is the end slot. refresh this. This is the start slot. Then we will be seeing some inputs with item. So what I will be doing, I will just copy this whole usage and will paste inside my I will be just copying this whole copied from here and paste it over here. Remove the unwanted components that we does not want and save them. So this is the demonstration. I will be minimizing this. So that we are able to see both the demonstration and the first of all, let's start by this date item. This is item. Inside that we have used a date having a label of floating. What is floating? It is positioned as a floating. It is somewhat in upper side, and as I click on this, I am getting a date time picker. Here it is because I have used an date time over here. It is used for picking date time, and we have numerous components available for date time. Then we have next we have some select components where we have to select some games. So this is somewhat a game is used games sorry the select component is used, that is I have placed select inside the item. Then I have a toggle. This is how it is used. Then I have a label with some floating input. It is looking like this. Then a placeholder thing. Here I can use a placeholder inside my ion input and it will be looking like this. Then I have a checkbox input over here. Then next I have the range over here. This is used for some range purpose. So in this way the ion items are used with media, list, inputs, images, icons, buttons and all the custom elements that we want. In the next video, we will be covering about some item divider, group, sliding options and label and note as well. So hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.